Okay, guys, we're gonna do a review on this oven net, ovenette, a nevet. This I got from Amazon. So if you want a review and you want to know what's up with it, I will unbox it. Unboxing it out of the package. This is how it looks. Boom, boom, boom. Plug it up, and then I'll give y'all what I think about it. This is what it does. This is what it lights up. It's on, and it's on number 2, and it's kind of smoking. So I smell like a smoke smell on it, just to let you guys know that. Put it on, we're gonna go up a little notch to 3, and we're gonna see, like I said, it's smoke. We're gonna see how long it takes to boil. 10 minutes on 4 to boil. So it takes a minute on 4 to boil. 10 minutes. I counted. And this is me cooking. This took less. This took like 3 to 4 or 5 minutes on 4 to get hot. It's doing good, yeah, you guys. And on Amazon, I'll have my Amazon link. But it's a good price. And you know, it does what it needs to do. It does what the job. It does have a loud noise. It does have a little smoky smell when you first turn it on. But we'll see how it goes in time.